What if you could get paid $50? I'm going to show you a special tool in today's video. There's no need to sell anything and there are no videos or websites to view. To get started, you don't need any technical expertise, effort or money because it's completely free. You only need a phone or a computer as well as an internet connection. You can begin this immediately after viewing this video from anywhere in the globe. And you can cash out your profits utilizing a variety of worldwide payment options. If you remain with me to the conclusion of this video, I'll surprise you with a bonus that will help you earn even more money. This is going to be a simple method to making money online. I'll teach you how to generate money rapidly by using the greatest and most successful platforms. Before we begin, I would much appreciate it if you could like this video so that it may be viewed by more people. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you're interested, make sure to stay and watch the video till the conclusion. First and foremost, I want you to bring your attention to this website here. You've almost certainly never seen this website before, and you've probably never heard anybody else talking about it. It's going to be a whole new method that allows you to generate money right now, every minute. Essentially, this website serves as a marketplace where people can come to find a variety of services such as graphic and web design, internet marketing, video, audio, music, and so on. As you can see from the top, there are various categories and subcategories as well. Now remember when I said you don't have to perform any of the jobs? Okay, so what I want you to pay special attention to is the next step. You have to click on this link right here where it says video. Now I can see that people are charging a lot of money right now. People are charging money to merely make a small video. Let's take this one for example, 2D animation whiteboard. This one costs $40 and includes eye-catching animations. All of these people make videos and charge a lot of money for it. Now, I just want to reiterate and make it obvious that you don't need to be creating any of these videos yourself, nor do you need to put in any of the hard work. Because after this video, I'll show you 2 websites that will do all the work for you 100%. If you stick with me to the end of this video, you'll understand everything and be able to make your money. Let's take a look at how much you can make and your potential earnings that you can make right on this website. For example, let's say you can earn $40 from just one package for just one project of the video. If you then sell 15 packages per month, you can earn $600 by simply selling those video packages. And guess what? If you double that, you can then do 30 of them per month. You might be able to make around $1,200. All you have to do is sell one video package a day for $40 and then sell 30 of them per month to make $1,200 without doing any of the work. There's not a huge amount of competition to this already. It's completely new and no one's really talking about it. So it's a really great opportunity to jump on this right now. Okay, now let's click on this title right here. It's going to take you to this page where you can see that they are going to charge you $40, which is insane. I'll now show you the website that you're going to be using to make these automated 2D animations. So the first one is called Powtoon. This is one of the websites that's going to provide you with a free option to produce a lot of professional films exactly like this one here, utilized by the Done For You templates. Several well-known businesses are also using Powtoon services. When you click on create link at the top, you'll see this area where it reads video. Click on that and then you can locate all of the Done For You templates and make an astounding video in minutes with just one click of a button. Let me show you an example of a template that you can use from this website. The whiteboard explanation. If you click on these templates right here, it will show you a demo of them. This is a whiteboard video. You've probably seen these videos on YouTube before as well. If you were to make this complete video by yourself, it will probably take you days or maybe even weeks, since you and I both know that we don't have any expertise in that area. And the good thing about this as well is you don't have to. You can literally click on this button to edit the template and create the entire video on whiteboard selling for hundreds of dollars. Now right here as well, I just want to show you some other categories on legit.com. Okay, so that's the site that we're going to be using. There are a lot of other options on this website too. Now let's assume you want to make the complete video with this template. You can click on this button that says edit this template. Also, now you've signed up for your free account on powtoon.com, where you can just enter your email address and hit the continue button, or just sign up with a Google account, you can now see the full set of slides that they created for you. With just one of these packages, you can easily sell one video for $40 or even more. This is actually a good thing about Legit.com, because they're fairly new in the marketplace. There's literally no competition and they're just starting to grow right now. And that's where we can catch up on the new trend, especially if you're watching this video right now, putting you on the early train for this new opportunity. Just click on the text and replace it with any text you want. For example, you can change the color of your text, move it to any location you want, alter the backdrop, edit the presentation, and do whatever customization and editing you want. The best part about this is that almost everything is taken care of for you. Now that you're done with that, you can either store it or export it to your phone or computer, and you may use Powtoon on any device in any country in the world. I'll give you some additional tips right after this video, so be sure to stay around until we finish. So right now, I want to offer you some bonuses. The second website and automation tool that you can utilize is flexpress.com. Basically, you can produce videos online in literally minutes using this website. When I click on the automated templates link at the top, it takes me to a page where I can choose a ready to use template that I can alter and edit if I want. Then you can download the whole HD video straight to your phone. You can see all the templates right now and they're extremely professional. You can also sample the film right now by hovering your mouse over the video. As you can see, they're all professional and have good quality. Now what I want you to do is click on the free plan templates and you'll be able to discover all the videos to sell on Legit.com. This is where you can earn money by selecting from a variety of categories and templates. This is just one example of an opening video where anyone can add their logo or text in. As you can see, you can make a full logo intro and charge $40 for it. This looks like you've spent hours designing it and using all your graphic design skills to create, but you're literally just using these automation websites and using it as a done for you template. We can also check out all of the templates right here, or alternatively, I really enjoy the advertisements since there are so many requests on lynda.com or any other marketplace. For example, Fiverr or Upwork, for individuals like you that produce videos and commercials for them. Now we can register for a free account. Just click on this to register and type in all the basic information about yourself. Don't worry about the price since these are truly free, as you can see here. They offer a free package that you can get started with right here. That's pretty much the entire approach, utilizing Powtoon and FlixPress to get very high quality videos done for you, which you can then sell on to Legit.com. And that's how we make so much money every single day without doing any of the hard work. Thank you for watching this whole video. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channels as well. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when the next video comes out.